my name is Bandari Khushi. Welcome to Dynamic Coder. Today we are starting our C language complete course. If you are beginner and have never done programming before, don't worry. In this course, we will teach you C programming from basic to advanced. So let's start today's topic, Introduction to C language. As you can see on the screen, in today's video we will learn 7 important topics. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of basic of C programming. Let's begin with first topic. What is programming? Programming is the process of giving instruction to a computer to perform a specific task. For example, if you want the computer to add two numbers, display a message or calculate marks, you need to give in instruction. These instructions are called program. Now, you may ask, can a computer understand English? No, a computer cannot understand human language directly. It understands only machine language, which consists of 0 and 1. So, programmers write instructions using programming language like C, C++, Java, Python, etc. The programming that converts those instructions into machine language and execute them. So, simple word, programming means written instructions that tells the computer what to do. Next topic is, what is C language? C language is a general purpose programming language. This means it can be used to build many different types of software. It is used to create both system software and application software. C is one of the most popular programming language in the world. Many modern programming languages like C++, Java, Python are influenced by the C language. C is often called the foundation of programming. C is a structured programming language used to write efficient and fast programming. Next topic is history of C language. C was developed in 1972 in Dennis Ritchie. He developed C at Bell Laboratory in the US. The main purpose of creating C was to develop the Unix OS. Because of his great contributions, Dennis Ritchie is known as the father of C language. Today, C is widely used in software development, OS, and embedded system. Even after many years, C remains one of the most important programming language. Next topic is features of C language. Simple. C has a simple syntax. It is easy to read and write and learn. Fast. Programming written in C execute very quickly. That way, C is used to perform base applications. Portable. A C programming can run on different computers with very little or no modifications. This marks C portable language. Structured. Large program can learn divided into smaller functions. This make the coder easier to understand and maintain. Efficient. C program memory efficiently and provide high performance. Middle level language. C compiles the features of both low level and high level language. So it gives both speed and flexibility. Next program topic is applications of C language. C is used in many fields. It is used to develop OS. It is used to write device drives. It is the fastest choice for many embedded systems. Many database systems are written using C. C compilers are also developed using C, and C is also used in game development and system software. Windows, Linux, Unix, MS SQL, like an example of C language applications. Next topic is why learn C language. C is the foundation of many programming languages. C is the foundation of many programming languages like C++, Java, Python, C Sharp. If you learn C first, learning these languages become much easier because they share many common concepts. It helps you understand programming concept clearly. It teaches the basic concept of programming structure as variable, loop, function, and memory. It helps you understand how programs work inside a computer. It improves problem solving skill. It helps you think logically while the writing program you learn how to solve problems step by step. It is widely used in software and hardware development. C is used to build OS, embedded system, compilers and drives devices because it is fastest and efficient and reliable. Learning C makes learning other language easier. Once you see fundamental are strong learning language like C Sharp, C++, Java, Python, JavaScript, much easier concept. Now let's start to practical topics in Hello World. In this video, we will write our the first C program Hello World. Now open the notepad. File will be saved in your folder. .c is the extension. As include stdio.h is the header file. This compiler to include the standard input and output library. This library contains the printf function. Without this header file, we cannot use the printf function. Int main is the main function. Every C program starts from the main function. This opening and closing curly bracket makes the main function. All the program statements are written inside the branches. Printf Hello World. The printf function is used to display the output on the screen. The text inside the double quotation makes the printf exactly as it. Then return 0. This statement end of the program. Now file will be saved. Run the code. The file open in your folder. Path in click cmd. Type command gcc file name hello world.c -o h1. Now program will be successfully run. Now type the command. Use GCC. GCC is the C compiler. It converts the C codes to source code file into the executable program. The hello world.c is the C source file. File name are different to use. -o means the output files. Compiler what name is to given the executable file. H1, this is the name of the executable file will be created. Now run the code. Simple click H1. Executable file name is here and press enter. Now code will be run successfully. Display. Next topic is compilation and execution process in C. The first we write our the program and save it with the C.C extension hello.world.c. Next we compile the program using the GCC compiler command use. GCC is the compiler, hello.c is the file name. Different file name are used here. File name is the source code file. -o is an output file and hello, h1, etc. are the executable file. This executable file which use the run of the program. Now here simple basic C language concept are clear. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please it gives the like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.